I probably get 250 emails in the course of a day. The majority of those are companies looking to do business with Lego. Imagine now you get a ping in your inbox from somebody at Bowdoin, and it is a highlight of the day for me. Now, I can't speak on behalf of all alums, but because of the affinity that I have for the school, that immediately sticks out and goes to the top of my list.
Nothing upsets me more than to find out later that so-and-so had wanted to really speak to me, had really wanted to pick my brain, would like to engage me as a mentor, and just assumed I was too busy. I find that very frustrating because while I am busy, people is our game, right? It's a people game, and I need to make that investment. And if I don't know that's what you want, it's hard for me to go and actually execute. So just tell me, that's fine.
When you meet with somebody, a lot of people, particularly successful people, and I don't just mean in financial terms, but people are waiting for or looking for to hear what your specific ask is. You have to make it clear why you're there and what you want. And sometimes I think people don't understand that that's really important, because you sit down with somebody, spend 30 minutes with them, and then if they walk away not knowing what the point was of that meeting, then that's not you didn't make good use of your time or their time.
I see millennials love texting and love emailing, and phone is something that is uncomfortable, and a visit is certainly more work. I think you have to push yourself out of your comfort zone and become good at all these modalities of communication, because sometimes a telephone call is going to be more effective than a text, and a face-to-face visit is going to be more effective than an email. And you have to understand how each of these modalities have strengths and have weaknesses, and you have to use these tools to your advantage.
In my career, what I learned was that there were some people who were excellent at giving advice and sitting down and helping me think through things. And then there were those people, and I think, you know, in the now it's sort of cool to say sponsors, and there were some people who really opened doors for me, and whenever an opportunity came up, you know, they would think, this is something that maybe Shelley would be interested in doing, and they would actually offer that to me.
I found most successful networking is not trying to find the person who's the most senior person in the organization, because oftentimes they're very busy and they may spend a little time, but it won't be a very valuable time. It's better to get somebody that's been out of college for a couple of years or several years that has just gone through what you're about to go through. So they're going to be probably a little bit more empathetic about what you're going to be, the situation you're going to find yourself in. And they can probably give you the best advice too. And they're probably going to have more impact and influence actually on the actual hire than someone that's much further away from you.